Crystal Mason, wearing the blue dress in this video from 2018, has spent the past several years in court. Friday, in a Zoom news conference, Mason claimed a win.
It's been a long journey for me and my family.
Her journey ended Thursday night with this ruling overturning her conviction for committing voter fraud.
Ms. Mason never should have been prosecuted for what was, at worst, an innocent misunderstanding.
Mason, during the 2016 election, submitted a provisional ballot when her name did not come up on the voter roll. It wasn't there because she was still a felon on supervised release for a federal tax fraud conviction. Provisional ballots include a notice about voting qualifications, but Mason claimed she never read it.
The state of Texas spent years wasting tax dollars and resources trying to ruin the life of an innocent grandmother who did nothing but attempt to cast a provisional ballot that wasn't even counted.
Tarrant County prosecutors during the appeal process defended the conviction by saying, "We believe it is not an accidental vote when the voter drives herself to the polling place and votes after signing a warning against illegal voting and after being warned not to vote by her defense attorney." Mason's conviction was initially upheld, but 2 years ago it was sent back. In making the reversal, the appeals court noted, even if she had read the rules on the ballot, they are not sufficient, even in the context of the rest of the evidence in this case, to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she actually knew that being on supervised release after having served her entire federal sentence of incarceration made her ineligible to vote by casting a provisional ballot when she did so.
It is important to know that so many people are in a position that could very well be confusing to them, to the elections administrators. This law has to be simplified, but I fear that it might be confusing on purpose.
Do you believe I don't care about voting rights?
State lawmakers set in motion Mason's legal victory back in 2021 when they clarified the state law. SB 1 amended the election code, where a charge cannot be made solely upon the fact that the person signed a provisional ballot. The act of fraud has to be proven with other evidence to show the accused knowingly tried to cast an illegal vote.
It's been really rough. And when I got the news yesterday, I was just overwhelmed with joy. It's been a long journey.